Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. It's Trends and Movies, and today we're breaking down something fun, personal, and super viral right now. Your YouTube recap. That's right, YouTube has just rolled out the latest version of its yearly recap, the feature that shows your top creators, the videos you binge watched, your top music, your viewing habits, and even your late night scrolling patterns. If you've been seeing people share their recap cards on Instagram, TikTok, YouTube Shorts, and you want to know how to find yours and share it like a pro, this video is for you. So sit back, give this video a like, subscribe, and let's dive straight in. So, before we jump into how to find it, here's a quick breakdown of what YouTube Recap actually is. It highlights things like your most watched videos, which creators you spent the most time with, and even your favorite music artists if you use YouTube Music. It also gives you a full story of your watch time, special achievements like how many hours you watched, and a viewer personality that describes your unique taste. And the best part? It packages all of this into fun, shareable cards. It's a really cool mix of stats, awesome visuals, and personalized insights that celebrate what you've been enjoying all year long. It's a great way to look back and see what content really defined your year. Alright, let's get straight into the tutorial. First up, how to find your YouTube recap on your phone. It's super simple and works on both Android and iPhone. The first thing you need to do is open your YouTube app. Make sure you're logged into the Google account you use the most for watching videos, otherwise your stats might be a little off. Once you're in the app, just stay on your home screen and scroll down a little bit. For most people, you'll see a big, colorful banner right near the top that says your recap or YouTube recap. Just tap on that box and you're in. Now, if for some reason you don't see that banner on your home page, don't worry, there's another way.